Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilas and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is a 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and gold has shown a good amount of downside yesterday. Now we can see that after taking support around 3312, okay, gold is trying to recover. So far, we have seen our levels are doing a fine job. Okay, and we can see that there is a possibility of market going down further. But yes, there are lots of things we need to consider. So let's discuss one by one. But first of all, we need to keep in mind that today is an important day because of the FOMC. If you have been trading Forex for quite some time, you must know that few events are very important. NMP, CPI, and FOMC. These events can change the direction of the market. So, at the time of news, please be careful, especially with your open positions. And new traders, please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, respect your capital. Just keep in mind, capital protection should be your first priority. Yes, I know the big candles at the time of news are very lucrative. But maximum retail traders also lose money at the time of news. So be careful. Do not gamble. And as we all know, before a major event like FOMC, market prefers to stay sideways, or market remains in a range. So if we look at a chart of gold right now, we can see that though gold is trying to recover, our support did a good job here, but the volume is missing right now. So you cannot have big expectations from the market because market is also waiting for the news. You can see gold approaches 3-week low. Gold consolidates amid Russia-Ukraine peace deal worry, dovish Fed hope. So I think this week is going to be very important. In the morning, market was struggling to cross 3317, 3318. Market was struggling to cross this particular range here. Okay, and if you are following the Telegram community, then we also expected the market to break this as well. So market is going according to expectation. If you're still not a part, feel free to join. The link will be in the description. Okay, so we can see here that market after breaking the minor resistance, so this is working as the new support, means the previous resistance is working as the new support. Okay, already I have mentioned in the morning also that I have a buy going on, so I am also hopeful that we will see further upside here. So the previous resistance from the morning is working as support, so you can expect little upside from here. But do not expect crazy upside or trend reversal, because after FOMC it may happen, but before FOMC chances a little less. Okay, and if market goes up also from here, we can see the next resistance will be around 3326. Why 3326? Price action. Okay, you can see the previous support will be working as resistance. See here, it's opposite. Previous resistance work as support. Here around the blue line, the previous support will be working as resistance around 3326, 3327. Then we have second resistance around 3334, 35, 3334, 3335. Okay, so these are the two levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a sell position as a day trader. How much you can expect? You can go for an SL of 60 pips and target of 60 pips. 1:1 reward ratio, good enough. After 60 pips, if you see further potential, then you can go for another 40 to 50 pips. Okay, by going for break even. Okay, so these are the two selling opportunities on the chart of gold where we can look for a sell before FOMC. But keep in mind, no level is permanent. Okay, so if you see market is showing price rejection from above, then only go for a sell. Do not trade blindly. It's your hard-earned money. Do not forget. And if you already have taken a buy somewhere around here, then you can hold your buy with your stop loss below 3315. Okay, if market goes down, then I will also exit from a buy below 3315. Okay, and during the day, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure in the market, let me take you to the hourly chart for a better understanding. Yeah, we have changed the time frame. So during the day, if market shows selling pressure, fresh selling pressure in the market, then we can look for a sell below 3310. Yes, we can look for a sell below 3310. Remember why 331015 was the support? Remember from our previous videos? Same logic, previous resistance working as support. So during the day, if market slips below it, अगर market इसके नीचे जाता है, we can also look for a sell below it as well. But keep in mind, okay, the next support will be around 3300. It can be 3300, 330102, means it will work as a zone. Okay, they all work as zones in the market. 3300 is still a very significant number. Not only the previous resistance will work as support, but it's a round number psychological support, so it's going to play a major role. And if we look at the contracts data, we still have good number of contracts standing at 3300. So around 3300, 3270, we can expect that market will go for a big bounce or trend reversal as well. So observe the market around 3300. If it takes support, I think we can expect a good bounce of 100 plus pips. Okay, in case market breaks 3300, yes, anything is possible in the market. After all, it's our goal, isn't it? So if market breaks 3300, then you can look for the next support around 328582 and 327075. These are the next best support levels if 3300 do not work. Okay, and personally I feel that okay, market should go for a kind of a trend reversal, okay, temporary trend reversal from these areas, because a little bit complicated. Okay, please don't mind. See, there is always a difference between the futures market and the spot market. Okay. We have seen good number of contracts at 3300. This data belongs to the futures market. So by the time, okay, futures market will be at 3300, the spot market, our market, will be at 3270, 3280, because there is always a difference of $20-30. Okay, so if 3300 do not work in our market, we can expect 328070 to work as support. Let's see. Okay, as of now, let's keep our eyes around this number. Okay, sorry, okay, for dragging to confusions. Okay, I do not want that. And at the time of FOMC, okay, if market takes a particular direction, then forget about levels, go with the flow, because when news dominates, when fundamentals dominate, technicals do not work. That's a bitter reality, and as a trader, we need to accept it, and we also need to learn, okay, how to practice it or execute it. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and all the best. And lastly, be careful, because there are lots of scams also going on in my name. If you go to Telegram, you will find many groups. For example, this one, see the Trader Next Door, Happy Tuesday. Okay, these are all scams going on in my name. Okay, this is also a scam group going on in my name using my photos. I do not have any investment schemes. Okay, yes, I do have a free Telegram community. Okay, because many things, okay, I need to update during the day, because see, I record a video during the Asian session and market changes during the European and US session. Sometimes the changes are so big that it requires an update. Okay, for example, if the trend of the market reverses, okay, then obviously you guys deserve an update. So for that, okay, I have a Telegram community, so feel free to join, but stay away from these groups. Okay, only join the community from the link in the description. Okay.